My name's Stephen Sparks, 64-year-old male, originally from the United Kingdom, currently residing in Malaysia. I've been having problems with my right hip now for maybe 6 or 8 months, and finally 3 months ago it deteriorated to the stage where I was losing sleep at night, unable to walk more than several hundred meters. So I then took the decision to start the search for a surgeon to perform a total hip replacement. It was quite a daunting task, going on the internet and searching name after name, hospital after hospital, and then one hospital kept on coming up. Not just the hospital, but the name of one surgeon, and the surgeon's name was B.J.C. Bowes. I continued to research the hospital and Dr. Bowes for several months, and finally I made my decision that this was the hospital, and this hospital had the technical expertise to carry out what I was looking for: a minimal invasive operation with robotic assisted surgery. The date was set and I travelled to Chennai International Airport from Malaysia, or to the hospital immediately. I was welcomed at the hospital, and over the next 36 hours it was a real pleasure that I'd seen most of the medical team here, different departments, checking all my vital signs and making sure I was fit for surgery. After approximately 48 hours of being in the hospital, I was due for surgery early Saturday morning. I was visited numerous times by the medical team and several doctors that were going to be in the operating theatre, the anaesthetists, the doctors, and the man that I'd come here for, Dr. Bowes. I was anaesthetised and it all went well. I come out of anaesthetism, Mr. Bowes was there and the team was there to welcome me, and I stayed on the ward for maybe 10 hours and then returned back to my room. On waking up, everything seemed fine. The pains that I'd been used to had gone straight away, immediately. I was left with post-operation pains, which I expected, but over the coming hours, with good care, with the team coming in, doing the pain management, the sisters on the ward boys, I really got well looked after. And as the hours turned to days, the pain was well managed, and straight away on the first day I was out of my bed, putting full weight onto the joint, and over the coming days this went from a Zimmer frame on the first day, second day 2 sticks, physio team were involved, and during this time there was regular visits from the performance surgeon and his team, and also more visits from each of the departments that I'd visited prior to my operation. What I'd like to say about it, the whole hospital has been really wonderful to me. The staff have been wonderful. The one thing I wanted was the technical expertise. If you're visiting the internet and you're looking for somewhere, it's SIMS Hospital in Chennai is a place that I'd recommend for anyone